Hello, good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Thank you for calling Mabuhay Philippines. How can I help you? Health? How can I help you, sir?
I have problem with my subscription.
All right. And then,
It's all day no internet connection.
okay.
Uy, alam nyo
Are
ba
you
sila
still
Berting
there?
at saka
Aha.
si Ana? Diyos ko.
Why
Mga
is no
bihira
answering
na,
my
pero
problem?
nakita pa dun sa
Sino nagsabi?
damuhan. Ano ba yan?
Hello, I want to talk to your manager. No one
Yes,
still
sir.
with
I'm
here.
still here.
But why would you
Continue.
not answer
Tapos
my
yung mga
question?
anak nagalit
Hey
kasi
you,
nalaman
stop
nga.
talking. I'm a client, you know.
Mamaya
I'm
na kasi
always
kayo
right.
magkwentuhan.
I need
I'm
any
sorry, sir.
specific answer. Don't say sorry. I need
I'm
to fix
sorry,
the
but there
problem.
is something troubleshooting about our headphones.
No, you are lying. I want to talk to your
Mamaya na kasi
manager.
break
You're
time.
still gossip. You're making an issue with your neighbor, huh? I want to talk to your manager
All right,
right
sir.
now. If that's the case,
All
I will
right.
not call you anymore.
Yes.
Is that all you wanna
Yes.
say? What kind of
Yes,
service is
sir.
this? I'm not
I
gonna take
understand,
it
sir.
anymore. No, you don't
All
understand
right.
me because you do not help my problem.
All right.
I will make sure that you will fire on that
All right.
company. You're not just
Yung
taking
kasi,
your job. I
kasi
warn you.
mamayang
I will not
chismisan
take
kapag break
to
time.
call anymore.
All right, sir.
I
All
will
right.
say my
Thank you.
neighbor
Bye.
to not call to your company.
Ayan tuloy kasi dapat mamaya ng break time na lang magkwentuhan eh. Hindi tuloy ako makafocus dyan sa pinag-uusapan nyo.